Hey everyone! So you're thinking about making the switch to a plant-based diet? That's awesome! Choosing the right foods can make a real difference in how you feel and your overall health. But there can be some downsides, especially when it comes to your kidneys. We're talking about things like oxalates, which can lead to kidney stones, and high levels of certain nutrients that can put stress on your kidneys if you eat too much of them. Let's get to it. We're kicking things off with a leafy green that's practically a superhero in the vegetable world: spinach. Known for its rich green color and nutrient-packed profile, spinach has been a staple in many diets around the world. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, but there's a catch, and it all comes down to something called oxalates. These compounds are present in high amounts in spinach. Oxalates are naturally occurring compounds found in many plants, including spinach. They play a role in plant defense mechanisms. Now, in small amounts, oxalates aren't usually a big deal. They pass through the body without causing harm. But when they build up in your body, they can bind to calcium and form crystals. These crystals can be problematic. These crystals? They can lead to kidney stones in some people. Kidney stones are painful and can cause significant health issues. The key here is moderation. Balancing your diet with a variety of foods can help manage oxalate intake. Enjoying spinach a couple of times a week as part of a balanced diet is unlikely to cause problems for most people. It's all about how much and how often you consume it. There are also ways to reduce the oxalate content of spinach. Simple cooking methods can make a big difference. Cooking it instead of eating it raw can help, as heat breaks down some of the oxalates, as can blanching it in boiling water for a minute. This process can significantly reduce oxalate levels. And of course, drinking plenty of water throughout the day is crucial for kidney health. Staying hydrated helps flush out oxalates and other compounds from your system. Next up, we're diving into the fascinating world of beets, or more specifically, beet greens. You know, those leafy tops that often get tossed aside without a second thought? Turns out they're nutritional powerhouses, loaded with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that our bodies crave. But just like our friend spinach, they also contain those pesky oxalates, which can be a concern for some. Remember, oxalates can bind to calcium and form crystals that can lead to kidney stones in some people, especially those prone to such conditions. Now don't panic. Just like with spinach, moderation and individual factors are key to enjoying these greens safely. Consider incorporating other leafy greens that are lower in oxalates, such as lettuce or kale, into your diet. And remember, cooking your beet greens can help reduce their oxalate content, making them safer to eat. So, don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen and experiment with different ways to enjoy this vibrant veggie. From sautéing to steaming, the possibilities are endless. As always, if you have any concerns about your kidney health or dietary choices, it's always best to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian to get personalized advice. Let's talk Swiss chard, another leafy green that often graces our plates with its vibrant colors and earthy flavor. It's packed with nutrients, but it also happens to be on the higher end of the oxalate spectrum. Now, you know the drill by now. Oxalates can contribute to kidney stones in those who are susceptible. So, what does that mean for Swiss chard lovers? Well, as with all things in nutrition, it's about balance and moderation. Consider other leafy greens that are lower in oxalates, such as arugula or bok choy. And remember, cooking your Swiss chard can help reduce the oxalate content. The bottom line is, Swiss chard can be a healthy part of a balanced diet for many people. Just be sure to listen to your body, be mindful of your portions, and consult with your doctor if you have any concerns. Rhubarb. A tart treat with a potential bite. Rhubarb, That tart and tangy delight often found in pies and crumbles might seem innocent enough. But it's time to uncover a hidden truth. Rhubarb contains oxalates, and not just a small amount. In fact, rhubarb is considered to be very high in oxalates, particularly the leaves, which are actually poisonous and should never be eaten. While the stalks are the part we typically consume, they still contain a significant amount of oxalates. Enjoying a slice of rhubarb pie occasionally is unlikely to pose a problem for most people. As with other high oxalate foods, cooking rhubarb can help reduce the oxalate content, though it won't eliminate it entirely. And of course, staying well hydrated is crucial for kidney health. Nuts about nuts? Think before you snack. Nuts and seeds are often hailed as nutritional powerhouses, and for good reason. They are a convenient and tasty way to boost your nutrient intake. They're packed with healthy fats, protein, fiber, and a whole range of vitamins and minerals. These nutrients can support heart health, brain function, and overall well-being. But there's a catch. Some nuts are surprisingly high in oxalates, which can be a concern for certain individuals. That's right. Those tiny compounds we've been talking about can also lurk in our favorite nuts, potentially increasing the risk of kidney stones in susceptible individuals. This is particularly important for those who have a history of kidney stones. Not all nuts are created equal when it comes to oxalates. Some nuts have significantly higher levels than others. Some of the highest oxalate culprits include almonds, cashews, and peanuts. These popular nuts should be consumed in moderation if you're concerned about oxalate intake. On the other hand, options like macadamia nuts, pecans, and walnuts tend to be lower in oxalates. These can be a safer choice for those monitoring their oxalate levels. So, if you're watching your oxalate intake, you can still enjoy nuts. Just choose wisely. Being informed about the oxalate content can help you make better choices. Enjoying a small handful of nuts a day, as part of a balanced diet, is unlikely to cause problems for most people, even those with a history of kidney stones. Moderation is key. However, if you have concerns, talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian. They can provide personalized advice based on your health needs and dietary preferences. Soy. Friend or foe for your kidneys? Soy products are a staple in many plant-based diets, offering a versatile source of protein and other nutrients. But when it comes to kidney health, soy can be a bit of a double-edged sword. Here's the deal. Soy is naturally high in protein. Now, protein is essential for our bodies, but for people with existing kidney problems, high protein intake can put extra stress on their kidneys. If you have healthy kidneys, moderate soy consumption is unlikely to cause any problems. However, if you have any concerns about your kidney health or are managing a kidney condition, it's crucial to talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian. They can help you determine the right amount of soy to include in your diet and provide guidance on other dietary factors that can impact kidney health. Bran cereals. A surprising source of kidney stress. Starting your day with a bowl of bran cereal might seem like a healthy choice. After all, bran is a good source of fiber, right? Well, here's the thing. Bran cereals can also be high in phosphorus, a mineral that can be problematic for people with kidney issues. Our kidneys play a crucial role in filtering waste products from our blood, including phosphorus. When our kidneys aren't functioning properly, phosphorus can build up in the bloodstream, leading to a condition called hyperphosphatemia. Now, for people with healthy kidneys, moderate phosphorus intake from foods like bran cereals isn't usually a cause for concern. However, if you have kidney problems, it's important to be mindful of your phosphorus intake. Talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian about how much phosphorus is appropriate for you and which foods to limit. Eat smart, protect your kidneys. Remember, The key takeaways here are moderation, individual needs, and always consulting with your healthcare provider. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more informative content, and share this video with your friends and family to spread awareness about kidney health.